Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials. Please subscribe to watch our new videos and tutorials.